I've always been that quiet person who gets nervous talking to people, gets nervous talking on camera, on video. I've always been that quiet person where I don't speak, um, I don't speak out aloud a lot and stuff. But I've learned that if I don't get over my fears, that I will never obtain my goals that I want in life. So if you're like me and you're that quiet person who gets nervous and anxiety because you're speaking in front of people or talking on video, listen, when you think about it, what are you scared of? What are we really scared of? So we have to we have to overcome these fears in order to obtain and achieve our goals in life.